Good morning, everybody. This is Tommy, and today we are going to learn how to build and modify Circui of Arduino. First at all, we have to set our breadboard and our R3 controller next one to each other. So first things we have to do is to connect black wire from the ground terminal to a negative pole in our breadboard. Then we switch to a red wire and we insert it in a 5 voltage hole and then to a positive hole. The hole has to be the next to the black one. Then we are going to set our potentiometer. But first, I'd like to explain to you what is a potentiometer. A potentiometer is a three-terminal resistor, as you can see, 1, 2, and 3 terminals, and it has rotating contact. Okay, this I can rotate it, and it's basically is a voltage divider, and it's used to manipulate the voltage in our circuit, so we can implement the voltage. So we will set our middle terminal in the fifth pole, and then we will connect three wires one next to the other. Okay, so the first wire is black wire that is set to the either part of our uh, potentiometer to a negative pole in our breadboard. Then we take green wire and we put it in the middle pole, and we will connect it to our controller, okay, to the output A0. Then we will take a red wire and we will insert it in the lowest pole and then to a positive pole in our brand. Okay, we are also finishing because we insert our light and connect it to our Arduino color. So we will put our light with the longest leg looking to the up of our breadboard, and we will leave two spaces before inserting the light because we will going to take a resistor, and from a negative hole we are going to put it near to the smaller leg of our light. We take orange wire, it could be also yellow, and we insert a part of it in the hole next to the longest leg of our light, and the other part it will go on output 14. Okay, now we will connect electricity to our circuit. As you can see, the light is not lighting at the moment because I didn't run the code of circuit 2. So we're going to do it now. We'll verify it and then we'll run it. Okay, as you can see, the light is start lighting, and this circuit was based on potentiometer. So we now are going to use it in order to modify our voltage in our circuit. So as you can see, the light is lighting quite a good rate, but if I modify it and I rotate it to the back of the breadboard, the rate is less than before. If I modify it and rotate it to the up of our breadboard, the rate increased. That was the first way to modify our circuit from the circuit itself. Then we are going to modify it from the code. So we switch
here we have, and in order to modify it, we can modify two parameters. We can modify the sensor pin. Now the sensor pin is the pin from which our potentiometer and our controller are connected. So if we modify the sensor pin, the potentiometer will not be connected to our controller, and it will not it will not be able to modify our circuit. So if I leave the potentiometer like it is now and I change the sensor pin of it, I verify and run the code. As
You can see the light is lighting as before, but if I modify and rotate the potentiometer, the light is always lighting as before. So it is not connected anymore because this green wire, now the output of the green wire is at A2 and not at A0 as before. So if we change it, as you can see, the light has changed its rate. And if I go to modify and rotate the potentiometer, now it works. So that was the second way we can modify our second circuit of Arduino. Third way to modify our circuit is from our code. So we switch.
here we are. So as you can see, there is another parameter here, and it's the LED pin. The LED pin is the pin from where the light, the LED, is connected. So if we modify it and like putting 8, okay, we verify and run it.
As you can see, the light is not lighting anymore because the the pin from which the output is going through is not anymore the 13 but the 8. So if I change Y, the light is lighting now. So that was how to build and modify Circuit 2 of Arduino. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.